Okay, so the EVO 6000 from Cscope has arrived. So this is a production model, and they'll be out very shortly to the general public. So let's do a quick unboxing video, and we'll have some test videos, etc., coming out very shortly after. Right, so okay, so get your instruction book. Also, there'll be the instruction, full manual will be available online, and compatible with mobile phones, so you can view it online, you know, if you're in the middle of a field, which is a nice to have feature. Yeah, so good. Oh right, let's just check out the headphones. So these are wireless Bluetooth headphones. They're ATPX, so they're low latency. So, just done it up, haven't I? Start again. Right. Okay. So Cscope have done some work on these, regarding the cushions, which are nice and soft. And obviously these are ATPX phones, so there's going to be no perceivable lag. Now you can use your own Bluetooth phones. They're obviously going to work with non-ATPX headphones or ATPX headphones, so you can wear earbuds and things like that. Should pair up with the machine, so that's nice to have. So it's not proprietary like some machines out there, so that's good to have. So yeah, you get the charging lead, and the USB comes with the phones. Now, yeah, you do get a charger, which you can use for the phones or the machine itself. So, nice long USB charging lead. That's USB-C, by the way, which is, in my opinion, is a better type of connection. So it doesn't matter which way round you plug it in, it works. Okay, so it must be the middle section stem, if you can see that. Okay. So that's the actual machine itself. Very well made, as you'd probably expect from a Cscope. Yeah, I mean, even these flaps here to protect the USB and the headphones, that designed to go back in place very easily. I'm not going to take them out now, but yeah, it's all quality, nice quality feel to it. They've done a lot of work on the stem. It is a straight stem, but they've done a lot of work on getting it well balanced. There's even, you can't actually see it, but there's a little kink here, designed to make the stem balance. It's a small feature, but it, you know, it does the job. They've done a lot of research and development. So this unit here is waterproof as such to about 1 meter. So I wouldn't go swimming with it, but even obviously in a rainstorm or anything like that, you're going to be okay. So yeah, it's like an all-weather machine, really, you could say that. Put that down. Okay, obviously the lower stem, and right, okay, so Cscope have done some work on this coil. It's a 17 kilohertz coil, and they've worked on the resins to make it as lightweight as possible. It does actually feel lighter than the standard DD coil, which came with the 6MXI. It does feel light, and you get a pad for the armrest and the armrest Velcro strap as well. If you can see it, you probably can't see that, but yeah. Yeah, so that's basically it. But obviously the testing will come soon out in the field. I mean, this machine is obviously designed for the UK British environment, so yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that out there and doing some videos.